So today we're going to try and make this quieter by just, for fun, just making like a exhaust. It's just going to look stupid, but see if it's quieter. Just going to use some foam pipes up there and like gaffer tape them together and see if or duct tape together them and stick them in the end of there. See if it makes it quieter. Well, I've patched up in a couple of things. There were some holes here that was letting them out, or just so in case something's blocking, it would let it out. But I've taped them all up just to make it a bit quieter. There's a hole there, and all the exhaust comes out there. Yup. So I'm going to show you now. Here we go. All exhaust out from there. Oh, one of my tape clips fell off when I started it. Pretty good.